Hello guys, you're welcome to this channel, and in today's video we are going to learn how to get my AI on Snapchat. It's a new settings and update in this year, which is 2023. Yeah, so in this video I will be showing you how to use AI lenses on Snapchat. So just stick to this video and watch this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope you are going to learn something from this video. So let's start. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're interested in my channel, and also share my videos to your friends, on some other social media platforms to also let my channel go afar. Like the video if you like the video, and also comment down below and I'll be happy, and I'm also going to reply you within some few hours. Okay, thank you for doing this. So let's start. First of all, you have to go to your Play Store. So click on the Play Store. When you click on Play Store, what you have to do is to search for Snapchat. So after searching for Snapchat, what you have to do is to click on it. Let's wait a while. It's going to load right now. So as you can see over here, what you have to do next is to update this. Click over here. So click on this part. So you need to click on it to update. So let's click on it. As you can see, it's updating. So let's wait a while. It's going to finish right now. So it's on pending. So if you want to know the owner or the developer who created this Snapchat app, just come here and you will see developer contact. Just click on it and you are going to see the website. So when you click on the website section, it's going to send you to the Snapchat website. And also, if you want the email to contact the person who owns Snapchat, just reach them over here on snapchat@snap.com. You get me? And their address is also here. You get me? Yeah. So any information you need about Snapchat, just reach them. And also, you can read more about Snapchat. A lot of people did not know that Snapchat you can save photos and videos over there for future. I really love Snapchat, and I'm not going to stop using Snapchat because it really helps me. It helps me save storage and my phone. You get me? So you can read more about Snapchat over here. So share the moment. So Snapchat is a fast and fun way to share the moment with your friends and family. So blah 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 blah. We chat over there, we read story, you post, slap spotlights, we have map, we have memories, a lot of things are on Snapchat. So if you want to know more details, just go to this section and you are going to get more information. Just click over here and I want to get more information about it. So let's see whether it's updating. So it's now around 58% now. So it's moving. So that's it. So guys, with the Snapchat app, you can use it to do a lot of things. You can save pictures over there. You can share pictures to your friends. It's a social media platform. You can just create an account, get subscribers, you know, do whatever you want to do with it. You get me? But mainly, a lot of people just come there to take pictures, then they go. You get me? But they don't know that we chat over there. So as I'm telling you, we can chat on Snapchat as you can chat on WhatsApp. So Snapchat is a very cool place that you can chat over. So as you can see, it's updating. It's around 86%. So let's wait. It's going to finish right now. So this is the review. It has 30 million reviews, and Snapchat also has 60. It has 66 megabytes. I mean the storage, and it has been rated 12 plus, and it has 1 billion plus downloads. So let's check. I'm sure it's done. So it's now installing. Let's wait a while. It's going to finish right now. So first thing, you have to update it. If you want to get my AI on Snapchat, this is a new settings that you know I'm teaching you. It's working. So update your Snapchat and wait. So if you've already updated your Snapchat, just click on open. Do you get me? So it's going to, it's installing, so it's going to finish right now. When it's done with the installing, you will see open over here. So let's wait a while. Snapchat. I really love Snapchat, but what I hate about Snapchat is when you're taking a video, when you are using their lenses, like it's very short, a few seconds. Yeah, it's not up to 3 minutes. No, it's very few. That's what I hate about Snapchat. But aside that, I really love Snapchat because it does a lot of things. It does a lot of things. So let's check whether it's done. So as you can see, boom, we are done with the Snapchat. So all you have to do is to click on open. So when you click on open, let it what you know. So when you click on open, you are going to see this. So what you have to do next is to click on your profile. So let's wait. So when you click on your profile, then you go to the Snapchat plus. This section. Just click over here. Do you get me? So just click on it and it will be loading. So as you can see, it's not free. With the AI, it's not free. We have 6 cedi per month and we have 60 cedis per year. So if you want to pay it, you have to just click over here, tap over here to pay. If you want it, if you want it to pay in a month, it's 6 cedis. In a year, it's 60 per year. It's 60 Ghana cedis per year. Yeah. So this is how it is. So let me teach you. Keep watching this video. Let me teach you what you have to do next is. So guys, what you have to do next is to go to the settings section. This place. Let me show you guys. So click on this section. So let's click on it. So when you get here, what you have to do is to search for I need help. So it's over here. Just click on I need help. So when you click on I need help, it's going to load like this. Then you have to wait a while for you to continue what you want to do. So when you come over here, this is what you see at I need help. So what you have to type over here is you have to type how to free use AI on Snapchat, or you can also type how do I use AI lenses on Snapchat. It's all the same question. So just click on it. After that, then you click on the search over here for it to search. So as you can see, it have searched this result and it got 377 results for how to free use AI on Snapchat. So what you have to do is to just click on how do I use AI lenses on Snapchat. So click over here. So when you click on it, it's going to give you more information about it over here. So as you can see, say go to Snapchat for support using Snapchat, filters. After that, when you click on the filters, you go to filters and lenses. So that's how you're going to use the free lenses. So let's click on here. So this is how to get free AI lenses on Snapchat. Do you get me? Yeah. So guys, this is how to get free AI on Snapchat. The AI lenses on Snapchat. So it's a lot over here. You can choose the one you like. So lenses explore. So click on the lenses explorer. So this is where you're going to get a lot of lenses for free. Do you get me? But the other one is a premium lenses. This one. So this one is a premium, it's a premium lenses. So when you want to buy a lens, just click over here. But in this video, I'll teach you how to get the free AI lenses. So what you have to do is, I'm repeating it again. Go here. So click over here. Then you go down bottom and click on I need help. This, click over here, I need help. You get me? This section, just click on it like this. If you want to click on it, just wait a while, it's going to load. You get me? So you have to type in what? How do I use AI lenses on Snapchat? So just type it, how do I use AI lenses on Snapchat. So after that, then you click over here, you click on the search. So click over here on the search, see this place, click over here. So click on it like this. When you click on it, it's going to search for you to get a result. You get me? So when it search, what you have to do is to click on how do I use AI lenses on Snapchat. Take note of this. You need to, you need this one. So guys, what you need is this section. No, this section. Just click over here, and it says you have to what? Go to Snapchat support. After that, using Snapchat. Then you go to filters and lenses. That's how you're going to get free, AI lenses to use on Snapchat, and you can use it as you want. Do you get me? So I hope you've learned something from this video. So you can read more about it. They have articles and also related articles over here, which it's very helpful, and I know you are going to like that. So this is how to use Snapchat AI lenses for free. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment down below if you have any question with this video or any other question that you want to ask me about Snapchat or anything about tech. I'm going to reply you within some few hours. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you also for liking this video. Thank you also for sharing, because I know you're going to share this video to your friends on other social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram. Those, I mean, send it to your friends on Telegram, everywhere that you feel like sharing. I want your friends to also learn. Don't be greedy. Just let your friends also learn. You get me? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I don't even know what to say. What I can tell you is have a nice day. Bye bye. We're gonna meet in our next video. And in my next video, I'm gonna let you know more about Snapchat and other social media platforms. So if you are interested in this kind of video, then don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell. Turn on the notification bell to get notified to watch this video. Thank you very much. Bye.